to my channel. It's your girl Lena. I hope you're having a great year so far. In today's video, I will be showing you my very own vision board. Every year I say that I want to do one and I've never gotten around to doing it, but this year I've gotten it done and I'm so excited to show you. If you have a vision board, send me a picture. I would love to see. Comment below and let me know what you have on your vision board. If you don't have a vision board, I hope that I inspire you to make your own vision board after you watch this video. I think a vision board is just such a great way to have visual reminders of your goals and what you want to achieve. And then the good thing about it is you have complete control over your board. So find images that inspire you. Find images that motivate you. You know, anything that when you wake up in the morning and you saw it, you said, damn, I gotta get that done today. Alright, so if you don't have a vision board yet, make sure you go and do one as soon as you finish watching this video. Before we get into it, I want to tell you, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video. Alright, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so this is my vision board here. As you can see, I have my goals 2019 right in the middle. And then I have all of my pictures. I got all of my pictures on Pinterest and Google search. I mean, I know they say you should use magazines, but I didn't want to spend any money to get any magazines. So I got all of them online and printed them all at home. I kind of have a theme going on for each section. So over here is my debt goals. Over here is my health and wellness goals. And then over here is my blogging and my YouTube goals. And then up here are just some positive affirmations and just some quotes I can look at every day to just kind of remind me of my goals and what I want to set out to do this year. For my debt goals, as you can see, I want to be debt free. I don't think that's going to happen this year, but I definitely want to be on a journey to get debt free. So I have that here to say no to debt. And then here I have a picture of my electric forest, where it's the only vacation that we have planned this year. I've been to the forest before, but I'm taking my husband and we're gonna fly into Miami and then do a road trip all the way to Michigan. But the thing about this trip is that we're gonna try to cash flow the whole trip. So we're not gonna put anything on our credit cards. We're not gonna put anything for a loan. We're gonna pay everything for cash. So it's a big goal and it goes hand in hand with our debt-free goal. So I'm very excited about that. And then also, as always, it's good to have a little bit of savings. So we definitely want to focus on saving more money. This is the section that I'm very excited about, which is my health and wellness section. So here you see that I have just a picture with, you know, little quotes saying, you know, I am strong, I am focused, I'm disciplined. Just something for me to look at every day to be reminded that this is what I want to do and this is my goals for this year. I have my little yoga girl here just to remind me to do yoga. I try to do yoga every morning, so that's definitely a goal that I have. And then here I have nothing worthwhile is ever easy. So you know, weight loss is definitely a challenge where you're not going to see changes every day and it's not going to be easy, so that's just a daily reminder. And then here I have go and get it girl, you know, because I gotta go and get it. And then here just a reminder for me to daily get my fruits and vegetables in. Finally, I have my homegirl here, Remy, who is right now honestly my favorite YouTuber. She, if you don't know her, her name is Remy Ashton, and she's been on YouTube for about 5 years, and she's just doing the damn thing. She actually lost a lot of weight last year, so she's living her best healthy life, and she's flourishing on YouTube, and I honestly love her. Like, I could watch her every day. So Remy, if you find this video, hey girl. But that's why I kind of have her in the middle of my health goals and then my YouTube goals, because she's just inspiration. So then I have my YouTube goals. So by the end of the year, I would like to have 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal right now. So I'm working really hard. I'm posting twice a week, and you know, and that's just the number that I want to get to right now. So that's just my daily reminder there. And then I have this little quote here that says, "It's time to inspire," which is what I really want to do with my page, my Instagram page, my YouTube page. Like, I just really want to inspire people to live their best lives and, you know, just be overall good, better people. So that's what I have there every day to tell me, you know, everything that I post is with the goal to inspire. So if I am posting something and I don't think it's going to inspire someone, then I'm not going to post it. I have this little picture here that tells me to read my books. I have a goal this year to read 24 books, so that's about 2 books a month. And I'm just so excited. I love to read and I've always used to read. But you know, with time and work, it's just so hard. But I definitely want to read more this year. If you have any book recommendations, please let me know in the comments below, because I will literally read everything. Here I have my little family tree. It's definitely a goal for me this year to spend more time with my family and my friends and just do more things that I love with the people that I love. And then also, that goal of mine is to go thrifting. I honestly have become so addicted to thrifting. Like, I don't think I will ever buy clothes brand new ever again. Like, there's so much stuff that you can find in a thrift store, and it's just so environmentally friendly, you know, and I just think that fashion is so amazing that it deserves a second chance. So before you go out and you go and spend hundreds of dollars on that new coat, you never know, the same coat could be at a thrift store for like $5. And then another environmental goal that I have is zero waste. Like, I just want to be more eco-friendly and just throw away less stuff. Like paper towel, I think it's such a waste to have in your house. I mean, I still have paper towel, but it really is, you're buying something to basically throw it away, you know. So I just want to move more toward being environmentally friendly and cut waste down. Final section of my vision board is I have, you know, just self-love, ways to practice self-love. I'm big on self-love. Like, no one's gonna love me like I love me, so I need to love me hard. So I have 5 ways to practice self-love. I'll just tell you quickly. You know, change the way you think positively all the time. You know, keep track of your accomplishments. You know, no one is your biggest cheerleader. You have to be a cheerleader for yourself. So anytime you reach a milestone, make sure you're celebrating it. Number 3, get rid of what's holding you down. People and things, just get rid of them. It's a new year, new you. You know, if you feel like someone or something is not serving you, just get rid of it. Number 4, stop the comparison trap. I know it's so easy on social media to compare your life to other people's lives and wish you had what they have, but just love what you have, and someday you will have the things that you want. Just work towards getting them. And then lastly, affirmations. Take a second every day to tell yourself something nice, which is why I have these daily affirmations here that I will be looking at every single day, just to remind myself that I am amazing and that I can do everything that I set my mind to do. You know, I believe in me. I am a beautiful person. I am successful. I am enough. Just do everything for yourself, just to make yourself a better person. And I have these 3 quotes up here that really resonates with what I'm trying to be and who I'm trying to be. I have here, be the energy you want to attract. I think that is so important, you know, in your everyday life. If you are a certain way, you will attract that person. So always remember, whoever you want to be, surround yourself with those people. And then this is my year, this is your year to do whatever you want to do. Make it what you want, be who you want to be. And then finally, I'm going to leave with this note: be a dreamer, a doer, a believer that anything is possible. This is my vision board. I'm going to put this somewhere that I'm literally going to look at it every day. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put it up right now for you guys. Alright, so here it is. I put it right up in my kitchen and right before you get to my living room, so that literally I will see it every single day. So I have it here, and it's going to remind me of the goals that I want to achieve. And yes, so go right now and put together your vision board and put it somewhere that you're always going to see it